Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Identify the intermediate. The intermediate shown after tosylation has a cyclopentane ring where at C1, methyl is on a wedge, coming forward, and H is on a dash, going back. At C3, OTS is on a wedge, coming forward, and H is on a dash, going back. Both methyl and OTS are on the same phase, CIS relationship, both on wedge bonds. Moving on to the next step. Determine reactant X. Tosylation of an alcohol with TsCl pyridine proceeds with retention of configuration at the carbon-bearing diol group. Therefore, diol in reactant X must have the same configuration as OTS in the intermediate. In the intermediate, OTS is on a wedge at C3 with H on a dash. So X must have O on a wedge at C3 with H on a dash. Also, the CH3 at C1 is on a wedge with H on a dash. This matches option B. Cyclopentane with H3C on wedge at C1, H on dash at C1, O on wedge at C3, H on dash at C3, meaning both CH3 and O are on the same phase, CIS. Moving on to the next step. Determine product Y. The reaction of the tosylate with NAN3 in ethanol water is an SN2 reaction. SN2 proceeds with inversion of configuration at the carbon under attack, C3. In the intermediate, OTS is on a wedge at C3, coming forward. After SN2 inversion by azide, N3 will replace OTS with inversion, so N3 goes to the dash position at C3 and H remains on the wedge at C3. This gives product Y. Cyclopentane ring with H3C on wedge at C1, H on dash at C1, H on wedge at C3, N3 on dash at C3. And for the final step, match two options. Option B shows reactant X with H3C wedge at C1 or wedge at C3, CIS, and product Y with H3C wedge at C1, H wedge at C3, N3 dash at C3, consistent with SN2 inversion. Eliminate other options. Option A. Product Y retains the configuration, N3 on wedge, which would be retention, not SN2. Options C and D have the wrong reactant X stereochemistry, or on dash, not matching the intermediate's OTS on wedge. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.